Chala, Perek Gimel, Mishnah Gimel. Hikdisha isasa ad shelo gilgala. If she made her dough hekdesh, ad shelo gilgala, before she'd actually completed the kneading process, ufadoata, then she redeemed it back from hekdesh, and it now belongs to her. And then she did the kneading of this dough. Chayeves, it will be chayev in chala, because although at one stage it belonged to hekdesh, seeing as when the kneading took place, it did not belong to hekdesh, but it belonged back to the lady, it will be chayev in chala. Similarly, mishe gilgala, once she has already kneaded it, she then made it hekdesh. The chiyuv of chala had already taken place. Ufadoato, and then she redeemed it back from hekdesh. Also, chayeves, the dough will be chayev in chala. However, hikdishato ad shelo gilgala, she made it hekdesh before she'd kneaded the dough. V'gilgala hagizbar, and the treasurer of hekdesh, he kneaded the dough when it was in the reshus clearly of hekdesh. V'achar kach b'doata, and after that she redeemed it back, and it now belongs to her. Putura, it will be exempt from chala. Why? Shebishas chayvasa hoysa putura. At the time of its chiyuv, the time that the chiyuv of chala fell, and that chiyuv was at the time when the kneading took place, at that point it did not belong to her, it belonged to hekdesh. And therefore it will be exempt, there will be no chiyuv of chala. As we've learned before, the Pasuk says, Reishis arisoi seichem, it must be your dough. The first portion of your dough should be taken as chala. This was not your dough, it didn't belong to the individual, it belonged to hekdesh. And as at that point of time when the kneading took place, it belonged to hekdesh, it therefore will be exempt from chala.